What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. Today 9th of November and this is Saturday, so I hope you guys are having very nice and bright weekend. So the weather is not good over here, so I am expecting that should not be the case for your should not be the case for you guys. This is Neo4J Cypher tutorial with Python, but I'm just thinking something else. Okay guys, so in the last video I have discussed about I think the mathematical operator, and in this tutorial I'll be going to talk about Boolean operators and how to use those things. So if you see, there are 4 Boolean operators that are available within Cypher. So these are AND, OR, NOT and XOR. So those are familiar, or those are coming, or those are already having some sort of understanding of digital algebra or Boolean algebra, or coming from engineering background, or having Boolean algebra on their high school maths, and still remember those concepts. For them it will be easier, and very easier actually to understand. There is nothing, only 5 minutes you need to invest from your precious daily routine. You will able to understand what is Boolean operator. But the thing is not like that, because I can give you kind of very basic idea how you can use those operators using Cypher and Python. But after that you have to think, or you have to build your own logic and intuition for your actual project or your client or customer work. So I'm not going to discuss all those things, but again, if you have some sort of real world use case or something like that, and if you want me to create a tutorial on top of that, please let me know. I will create a separate series and we'll do it. But this is Neo4J Cypher. I'm not going to talk about any web application development using Neo4J. For that we are planning to create a separate series, and where I will be going to develop one Django or Flashbase application based on some sort of artificial intelligence or deep learning library like Keras or TensorFlow, and there I'll be using a Neo4J as a backend or digital engine for creating some sort of analytical things. So that is altogether different topic, but in this topic I'll be going to teach you only Cypher and how to use Cypher using Python. So without wasting much time, so let me open my Cypher console. So first our operator is AND, so we'll see how we can use it. So the same thing like yesterday, so with 2 as A, 3 as B, return A greater than B and A equals to B as result. So there are two conditions, A greater than B and NB, and these things are going to be AND using there is an AND operator between these two. So so AND means both of the output of the two components should be true always. So A greater than B, is it true? No, it is false. A equals to B, it is also false. So ultimately the outcome will be false of this thing. So let's check. See, this is false. Now if I make it let's make it 5. Okay, so this is true, but this is not true. So again, for AND, all the components should be true, then only it will become true. Still false. But if I make it, let's say OR, in OR any of the output requires to be true, then all it will become true. So A greater than B is true, it means it will be always true. See, true. So this is how it is. So let me write down this thing in our query. So this is OR, so I think like this. This is the query. Okay, let me just, and so result will be false, because the second condition is always false. Now not means the opposite, like if something is true, if you apply not operator on top of that, then it will become false. So we'll do something different. Okay, so now if you do this thing, let me just think. So this is become true. Okay, now if I return as I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. I'm just giving a try. Okay, so this is true and not, then it should become false. See, it is becoming actually false. The whole condition is true. Now I applied not on on like this is a result, right? And I am applying not on top of this, so it will become overall condition is becoming false now. Okay, so if I do it similarly, so this is false. Now if I apply not, it will become true. See, so it's become true. So this is how it is. So let's copy. These things are very simple. Okay, and the result will be here. It will be true. XOR means if any of the output is 1, then it will definitely become 1, but if all the output is 1, that is definitely going to return like false. It means if all the outputs are true, then it will become false, or else any of the condition, if the output, any of the output is true, then it will definitely return true. So in our case, so so now this is always true, so it will become true. Okay, so now we'll do something. 1, so both of them are false, so it will be false. See, it is false. Okay, now the interesting thing is like that, let's return and okay, so now both of them are actually true, so now it will also becoming false. See, this is false just because this is true, 3 is always greater than 1, and this is also true, a equals to b, both are 3, but this is returning false. This is the like most important like part of XOR gate or XOR logic. Like I'm just using the gate cause I'm just coming from like that sort of like computer science background, so I just, whenever I'm talking about like truth table or something like that, I immediately say gate. So anyways, if someone is from the digital circuit or like second year or the second semester engineering syllabus can recall those things, will be able to understand how I'm saying this thing. So anyways, so this is always true and this is always true. So if you apply XOR like within this two condition, though definitely altogether it will become false. So for XOR, like if both of the conditions are returning true, then the output of that like statement or the overall that condition or overall that function will return false. So that is XOR. So I know this is something very confusing, so that is why I'll try to give you guys this this, what do you say, like this slide as well, so you guys can practice and can check, and the queries are also there. Okay, so that's all from the Cypher console. So let me open the Python thing now. So as I told you guys, from this week or this tutorial onwards, I'm not going to write all these things again and again. So this is not going to make any sense like anymore, because I have already uploaded or created like 27 or 28 videos, and all the tutorials I'm just writing this thing again and again. So I'm just wasting some time, not only my time as well as your time. So now with 2 as A, 3 as B, return A, greater than B and A equals B as result. So the thing is that this is false actually. 2 is never ever greater than 3, so this statement is always going to return false. So let's check this thing now. Okay, see, this is false. Now if I make it or, then also it is going to return false because none of the condition is true. But if we do something like this, like let's make it 4, so it will become true. See, true. So AND or logic has been cleared now. I hope you guys understood, but I'm not sure like if all of you understood correctly. So guys, make sure try to do some sort of practice, try to copy paste the query, and after that use this thing in that same template. So what I'll do, I'll try to give this code as well here, so it will be easier for all of you guys to understand. So what I'll do, I will create another slide. I'll delete this thing. So just one sample query, so that's it. So this will be easier for you guys. So I think nothing is required. So okay, so guys, you can refer to this thing as well. So now it is fine. Okay, so let me open the Cypher thing again. So this is AND has been completed, OR has been completed. So now the next thing is XOR. So in XOR, if this is true, then the whole condition will become true irrespective of that other is no. In the case of XOR, the other statement is also, if one is true, then only it is going to return true. If you have both statements are true or both statements are false, this is not going to return true. See, true. But if you let's make it 4 and 3, both of this condition is true, but it is now will become false. See, so that is the main thing for XOR gate or XOR again. And the next thing is that OR, and on top of that I will apply NOT. So A greater than 3, so this should return true cause this is OR, but when we apply NOT on top of the whole like statement or condition, this will become false. So this is how it is, guys. I hope you guys I'm not saying enjoying this video at this moment, because this is not going to be fun, I believe, from your side, guys. This is kind of like programming, coding, digital logic, linear algebra, no, not linear algebra, digital algebra, something like that. So I believe some of you will find difficulty or face difficulties, but don't worry, guys. If you are not coming from science or engineering background, this is normal, but try to do some sort of practice, try to do some sort of Google or Wikipedia, try to do some sort of hands-on with digital logic or digital Boolean algebra, then it will be easier for you guys. But don't leave it like this, then it will not make any sense. So I'll try to encourage you guys, try to do some sort of practice by your own, then only you will get some sort of confidence and will clear your concept. It will clear your concept actually. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. But before concluding the video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. If you are watching our video for the first time, please do let us know, have some sort of like feedback, and also try to share our videos with your other friends or family member, whoever you are thinking that will be relevant for. Okay, so that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.